Jeff Bezos' Blue Origin is soon going to take your money. They are selling tickets, or they're going to soon sell tickets. They're taking the pre-registration to buy the tickets. So they want you to sign up to be one of the first to buy the tickets in order to take a ride on the space tourism rocket. So they put out this little promo video. It's called New Shepard. It's designed to carry as many 6 people on a ride past the edge of space, with the capsules reaching an altitude more than 340,000 feet. So the full details apparently are coming May 5th, with possibly the option to purchase at that time. Now, let me ask you before. Okay, you can play a little bit of the video if you like.
Okay.
So this is a promo video, and you're going to notice a few tidbits. Pause right there. Pause right there. So first off, Bezos is driving. This is noteworthy.
A Rivian.
He's driving a Rivian. Amazon invested in Rivian.
Yeah.
Right? Or Bezos himself, whatever. There's money in Rivian. So he's in a Rivian. He's flying. He's in Texas. He's got the hat on. And he's saying, here we go. He's a real space cowboy. And, of course, it uses some of the footage of the landing of the rocket and then the capsule coming down.
A la SpaceX.
Floating down
style.
3 parachutes. And then he approaches the thing. And he says, looks pretty good in here. Something along those lines.
Oh, okay.
But look at him flying in the Rivian with the logo on the side, the leaf on the side.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Excessive speed.
Yo, he's flying in the Rivian. I mean, this is...
not very necessary.
Oh, it is. It's an action movie.
Oh,
yeah, it's an
okay.
action movie, and he's the star, all right? It's time. Sign up early. Learn how you can buy the very first seat on New Shepard. You can buy the first seat on New Shepard. Now, before we get into it, what are you willing to pay for the first seat on New Shepard? You're going to space. You're going 340,000 feet, and you're going to go past the edge. Seat number 1, Willie Do. What are you willing to pay?
5 Dogecoin.
It's not going to get it done, Will.
Hey, man.
It's not going to get it done. Yeah,
Worth
maybe
a
by
lot.
then, by May 5th, you'll be all set.
Exactly.
By May 5th. It's not going to get it done. What do you actually think the tickets are going to sell for? By the way, I know the answer to this. I mean, I really don't, but I kind of do. What do you think they're going to sell for?
200 grand.
It's not a bad guess.
Okay.
They did not say the price, but they did say, they did say it will be similar to the other prices that are out there.
Like Virgin Galactic.
Exactly.
Okay.
And so, actually, what's funny about this CNBC article is that they said Virgin Galactic stock was down 3% because of this video.
Oh.
I mean, I don't know if it's because of the video. They just said that. They just said it was also because when you're CNBC, you always report on that type.
Yeah.
Anyway, if you scroll down, I think you're very close. You said 200 grand. I think it's around 300.
Okay.
There it is. No, 200 to 250. Willie Do, ladies and gentlemen.
Look at that.
Willie Do.
Or 5 Dogecoin.
Willie Do, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
Willie Do. Virgin Galactic has sold tickets to 600 passengers at a price between 200 and 250,000. Although the company expects it could increase its prices substantially for the first commercial, so maybe it goes up. But I like where Willie Do's head's at. Not only is he calling the celebrity fights, now he's calling the space flights. Willie Do, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
Willie Do. Wow.
A lot of emphasis there.
Yeah, that's right.